Hi, this is Mara with our Simple Life and Dominican Vegan. Today we're going to teach you how to make Dominican Mangu. Here we have 3 plantains, and you're going to get a combination of green and somewhat ripened plantains. That's going to be key to getting a nice texture on your Mangu. There's going to be a link below showing you how to peel the plantains. We put a boiling water with a little bit of salt. We peel our plantains and we bring it to a boil, and we wait for them to be tender. We're going to be using 3 main ingredients. We're going to be using veganaise, and then vegan butter. There you go. And any one of your choice, and extra virgin olive oil. So those are going to be key ingredients to getting your nice tasty mangu. So there we check our plantains to make sure they are nicely tender and very softened. That when you use ripened mangu in combination with the green mangu, those are perfect. That gives you a nice texture. So we're going to drain some of that water where they were brought to a boil, but we're going to keep some just to be able to mash, just like you would do mashed potatoes. There you go. So you see some at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead, if you have any mashing tools, you can use that, but we're going to go ahead and add the vegan butter. We're going to add 2 tablespoons. There you go. 1. There you go. And we're going to go ahead and add another one. Perfect. And now we're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of our veganaise or our vegan mayo, which I love. That's going to give it a lot of creaminess to it, so it's gonna give it a good taste, and it's gonna just tie everything in. So that's one of our secret ingredients. So I'm giving you all my secrets. So then you go ahead and you mash away just like you would do mashed potatoes, and make sure that everything is combined. So until you get into a nice soft consistency, and just keep mashing, and there you go. So that's this is what your end result is going to be, and this is the consistency that we're looking for. Still soft. No, the mangu tends to get hard just left so this is something that you're going to have to serve right away. So for extra creaminess, we're going to add the extra virgin olive oil, just almost 1 to 2 tablespoons. Just do it to taste. There you go. So we mix that in. Everything's looking nice and creamy. And this is a great, this is a very dense meal. It's very filling. And you can pair it with just a medley of onions and peppers on top in a vinaigrette. Or you can do the tofu scrambled eggs, which we'll have a link below. And you can see how that goes. And let's just let's see how it looks. It feels nice. It looks great. Nice texture and creamy. And very soft. That's very key for it to be very soft. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful. And there you go. And this is something that something that is very hearty, and it's very filling. And like I said, you can pair with some scrambled eggs. There we have it with some tofu scrambled eggs. They go great. And for a little extra taste, you can never forget a little touch of avocado, which everybody knows I love. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna garnish it with some avocado. Again, you could just have mangu with avocado if you like. It's a great vegan meal, completely vegan and healthy and very filling. That is a beautiful avocado. So there we have it with the mangu topped with the scrambled eggs and with a little bit of avocados on the side. If you love the video, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.